Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, we're just going to keep talking about winter gear. And today I want to talk to you about protecting your hands. There are all sorts of neat gloves out there you can get. You can get these synthetic ones with a little bit of leather on them. You know, these are head ski gloves, but I found these, which are supposed to be really good, with all the synthetic stuff on them, crap. What I use right now, when I'm out there in the minus 10, 15 degrees below zero, wool gloves. Now, these are mitten type gloves that I wear. And so I can just, I can wear it two different ways. I can wear it as a mitten. So I got layers of wool here. I can take this back, peel it back, expose the fingers underneath to do some delicate work, and then cover them up again. Also, this is lined with a Thinsulate type lining, and it is really nice and warm. And this is usually what I wear when I'm driving the tractor to plow snow and stuff. And also what I wear when I'm shoveling snow. I get them up to them on there. And hang on a second here, let me get these off. I also went ahead and got a second pair in green as well. Same thing. It's got a nice liner in it. Nice and nice good inside here and everything else, and it really works to keep my hands warm. So think about what you're going to use to protect your hands. And have you just been getting by with a pair of gloves, synthetic gloves that are like, oh, these are synthetics, the best there is, and it's, you know, my hands are cold, I would stay out for so long, but it's the best there is? Or do you want to get something that's natural wool fiber that works a lot better? And of course, some people have allergies to wool. They do have cotton liners you can get for these things. You know, it's a separate glove. So you put on a thin cotton glove, then you put the wool on over it, and then you got extra insulation there. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a new skill. All right, get prepared so something bad doesn't happen to you, like this.